Here is a Nissan Murano. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there at the bottom you'll find the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem there, on the left edge, put one finger in there and then push it left. So push it left and at the same time lift up the hood. The hood stays in place, being supported by those two struts over there. Now once the hood is open, that right there is where the engine air filter is. All we have to do is just undo two clips, the one over there and the second one on the other side. Just undo that one as well, and now you should be able to lift up the cover partially. What you have to do is make sure that the cover comes out. There are three tabs on the back. Yep, those ones. Make sure that tab comes out of that slot. There's three of them. So grab the cover, pull it outwards, and then you should be able to lift it up like this. At this point, just grab the filter and get the filter out. This is the bottom side of the filter. This is where all the outside air comes and all the dirt gets trapped, and then the clean air goes into the engine from the top. So go ahead, get the new filter and just align it the way I'm showing and just drop it in there. The new filter should be the exact same size as the old filter and it should just drop right in. Now you can only really see this one tab and slot from outside. You cannot see the other two ones. So just focus on this and make sure this tab goes into the slot the way I'm showing. Then sort of press down and then push it in. Try lifting up the cover a little bit. You should feel some resistance once you do this. Give it one more push, press down. Everything looks good. Now just put these clips back on. 1 and 2, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, simply lower it and then slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.